Hey guys, I'm Ericah, and this is my family, the Joneses. After having my children within a 2-year span apart, a lot of things with my body had changed. Allow me to explain.
Go. Inhale, exhale, curl up. Inhale, exhale, bridge. Good, one more time. Inhale, exhale, curl up. Inhale, exhale, bridge. Beautiful.
She also talked about how it took some time to get over how well they knew each other in a friend capacity. So sometimes somebody is friend zoned and then you don't look. Baby.
Right now we're in a hotel and we are waiting for my appointment, which is like in an hour or so. So we're just kind of using time to do something fun.
I really want to go.
You do?
Mommy, come on.
Okay. CJ.
Come on, CJ. Keep going.
It is now pre-op appointment day. All right, so I'm about to go inside. We are here. This is my pre-op appointment and my husband is right there. Say hi, baby. All right, so it should take about an hour, so I'll try to film some things, but if I don't, I'm gonna just tell you guys what I come out with. But here we are, we're here. All right, so we are finally inside. And I'll just give you guys a sneak peek of what it looks like in here. Lovely office. The nerves are kind of kicking in just a tad bit, but we got this. We got this. Stay tuned. We're here. Got my paperwork. We went over everything that there needs to be known. We're at Freddy's. I've never heard of Freddy's before.
Alfredo's. We're at Alfredo's.
Freddy's.
Señor, como me veo. Aleluya.
People from up north, do you know about Freddy's? Or are we just not hip to this? Because...
Como me veo.
Currently here at my PT appointment. This is my last PT appointment until my surgery, so wanted you guys to see. It's getting real.
Okay, so feet about hips width apart, and you're going to keep your weight on your heels, so your back is straight. The motion is coming from your hips and your knees. So I'm just coming down, so keeping my weight on my heels, and then I'm coming back up. Exhale. So it's like I'm about to sit in a chair, but nope, I'm not gonna sit. I'm gonna come right back up.
Yes.
Okay?
That's